Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications from a busy Instagram group chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to mute messages from a specific group on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. This quick guide will help you regain some peace and quiet while still staying connected. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll spot the messages icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Click on it to open your inbox. Now scroll through your list of conversations and find the group you want to mute. If your notifications are blowing up, this step will feel especially satisfying. Once you've found the group, click to open the chat. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see a small info icon. It usually looks like a lowercase I inside a circle. Click on this icon to access the group settings. A panel will slide out from the right, showing you several options for managing the chat. Look for the Mute Messages option. There should be a toggle switch right next to it. Simply click to enable mute for this group. And that's it. You've now muted messages from this specific group. You'll no longer receive notifications every time someone sends a message, but you can still check the conversation whenever you want. Remember, you can always come back and unmute the group if you change your mind. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need to focus or just want a break from the constant buzz of group chats. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your social media experience smoother and more enjoyable. Enjoy your quieter Instagram.